That's all.
Okay.
So it's getting ready to terrorize the birds again.
It was 3 before, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you said
They're not chickens.
they're not chickens. So you said they're not chickens. I'm sure they have a lot of eggs now because
Yeah, but you're not going to take any either, are you?
believe me, they're chicken.
But you're not going to take any. The bird was in there when I walked around the corner. It was
wanted
laying
to
on him.
take a picture while she is here. See, it's a lot. I told you, they're chicken.
Yeah, how many are in there?
Oh my gosh.
Don't hurt the eggs.
1. Oh my gosh. It's almost 2. I'm shaky, scared.
Well, just count them. Don't take them out.
The feathers
Mm-hmm.
stuck on my finger.
How many do you think are in there?
I don't know yet. I have 4. And there's, oh my gosh. Look, the feather. It's
Mm-hmm.
stuck in my finger here.
Mm-hmm.
There are 5.
Okay.
See? I told
Apparently
you they're
they're
chickens.
Yeah. Okay, put them back.
They're like a chicken.
Okay, put them back.
And I am right.
Put them back.
I can make this
Put them back. They're not even big enough.
scramble egg.
They're not even big enough to eat. they're tiny. They're about the size of a thumbnail.
Okay, then we will wait
Let's see how
maybe
many.
a week.
See how many little birds end
Maybe
up.
a week.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
They're chicken.
Yeah.
A lot of eggs.
Let them be hatched, and we'll have some more birds around. Being mean to the birds.
I have 5 eggs.
Cool.
There.
Oops.
5 eggs.
Almost dropped the camera.
So next time, it's gonna be a lot. You know?
Hmm.
It's gonna be a lot next time.
No, I don't know.
So, who wants bird egg? I can share it. Right?
No, we're gonna leave the birds alone.
I'm not gonna leave the bird alone. I might have. Oh my gosh. It's hurt.
Did you want me to do that?
So maybe tomorrow, one more.
Hmm.
Tomorrow, let's see tomorrow. Let's see tomorrow. Maybe more tomorrow. Oh, look, my stargazer.
Yeah, I
They're
saw
not
that.
tall. They're not tall
Yeah, but
anymore.
you got some nice buds on there. It's because those thistles
They're
got
just
in there.
small.
Well, those thistles got in there and
I have to.
kind of.
Yeah, next year I
Yeah.
want my garden.
Well, those thistles got to them, but they're a lot healthier since we got
I
those
want
out.
to save money for that so we can.
Save money for what?
For the garden. Ouch. For garden.
You've got money for your
So I
garden.
can do garden.
You're rich. You rich lady.
Rich of what?
Huh?
Rich of receipt.
Huh?
Rich of receipt.
You have more money than I do. Somehow I make a lot more than you do, but you have more money than I do. So I
Rich of
figured that when
receipt. What are you doing?
filming
Don't
you.
stop.